guys, I'm going to start doing something a little bit different with my YouTube channel. In addition to the Disney videos and other videos I put out, I'm going to start doing a video once a week from the Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Pensacola area. Regardless of the weather, I'm going to show you what's going on down here different times of the year. Today is February the 6th, 2020, and we're going to head over to the Gulf State Park Pier. Going to see if anyone's braving the weather to fish any today. It's a little cool out. It says it's 61, but the wind's very strong. So we're going to try out my media mod I've got for my GoPro Hero 8 to see how it handles the wind noise. If it becomes a little too much, I may have to pop that down for the video and lay some music over the top of it to make it bearable. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will be loading a video up each week, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Rough Gulf out there today on this rainy, overcast day. That's the new lodge they've built here for Gulf State Park. Red flags flying today for this rough waves here on the Gulf. Looks like they're doing a little remodeling here on the pier for their little barbecue restaurant that used to be. I'm not sure if it's going to be the barbecue restaurant again or if they're going to change it to something else. Of course, they have a bait and tackle shop here on the pier and a little snack bar that's located inside the little office area here. very windy out here today, testing out my new media mod for my GoPro Hero 8, and it's picking up a lot of the wave noise and a lot of the wind. I apologize for the excess background noise. Hey guys, it's February the 6th, 2020, and I'm on the Gulf State Park Pier. Going to give you a little tour around. We're dodging the rain and showers this morning. Been a pretty overcast, nasty day, but still beautiful at the beach. Red flags out today because of that surf right there. Big waves today. Over there is the lodge at the Gulf State Park Pier. And there are no fishermen out braving the weather to fish today in this rough surf either. I've pretty much got the pier to myself. temperature says it's 61, but with the wind out here, it's a lot cooler. And it's kicking these waves up really, really high. Rough surf today. And that's a quick little tour of the Gulf State Park Pier. I'll definitely come back on a better day where it's a little bit more sunny and a little less wind maybe, and give you a more thorough tour and possibly see some fishermen catching some stuff. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell notification. And I'll see you next week with another video from Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Pensacola area.